Alright, we got good old Scrappy. No windshield, because it got really dirty in the rain. Everything's dirty in camp right now. Well, I've been driving it, but I'll give you guys my first initial honest review on this whole girl right here. It's like Whiskey Throttle's setting up for their stuff. Man, this turbo sounds pretty damn good too, though. Alright, we'll give her a little cool down. She really doesn't get warm. Alright, maybe no cool down. See if we can find a cool spot for the beauty shots. Oh, this will be perfect right here. Alright, I'm going to stop, get some beauty shots, and then we'll be right back on the GoPro. So we got some gauges, we got a dyno jet, it's on PC5, the RPM Weller turbo kit, their first generation Weller kit with the dual pipes. 19 diff, some Scat Track 10 paddles on Douglas wheels. These are my old wheels with the bead locks. Got the Douglas sectors in the front with some stews. Stock cage, stock, dirty. She needs a cleaning. But yeah, that is Scrappy for you guys. It's kind of fun cruising with no windshield. I'm so used to having a windshield. I should just take the glass out because I always got a helmet on, but you know, I got a bump seat in there and now a car seat. So when the kiddo wants to go for a ride, it's nice for her to have a little bit extra wind out of her face. Because sometimes when you're going fast, it almost takes your breath away. Oh yeah! Scrappy. Let's see how she runs up the mountain real quick. drags right now. Alright, we got to watch K&T make a hit.